Hi everyone, this is The Unspeakable from Innerscapes Art Studios. I do not have time to edit a video today, so I'm going to try and do a very concise speaking while pouring video. And I love ring pours, so I'm going to do one. I have some white, no silicone in this painting, bright yellow, and all of these paints are blends. They're mixes of various leftover paints from the art studio and my studio. Deep yellow, phthalo red, this is such an unusual red, burnt orange, Peroli red, magenta, metallic gold, titanium white, black, green gold, teal, turquoise, bright blue, and violet purple. So I'm going to do a ring pour just to coat the canvas instead of, putting the white on with a spatula or a paintbrush. I like to do a ring pour. I guess this is called a puddle pour. I'm just coating the canvas here, which is why I have given myself the option to make a mess. I love the option to make a mess and not have to be concerned with making something quote unquote beautiful or decorative. That's a relatively modern concept in art, decorative. Art used to be a lot of things. So now I am going to cut this out. I'm going to stretch this for about 5 minutes because I want the thinnest possible coating on this canvas. So that is my thinly coated canvas with titanium white, Mars black, and a mixture of purples. And now I'm going to take my cup and do a beautiful ring pour. I think that I'm going to start here. So I will call this a traveling ring pour. It's beautiful. Too bad I have to pour this off, huh? that is what I've come up with. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And if there's anything in this video at all that you like, please hit the like button and leave a comment if you'd like to. Thank you for joining me. I really appreciate your presence, and I hope to see you in the next video.